It's getting serious. They're calling in the heavy artillery. They got the big plow truck and 2 front loaders. It's getting bad. Look at it, I can't even get my windows cleared. I have to crank this heat. They got a front loader over there. Front loader. The scoop on it. They got, can't see through the windshield here. Well, there's a little guy right here, a little forklift guy, right there. See him? And then they got a front loader over there, and then where'd the big plow go? Big plow's over there too, see? So they got 2 front loaders, a big plow, and a little cat forklift kind of thing. It's coming down pretty good. Better shut my window. I got all this. Oh, who ordered this crap? Whoever ordered this is fired. Think we gotta sleep in this tonight. Temperature is still 26. See? I don't know what it's supposed to get down to tonight, but yeah, we're getting it good. You know, try and get away from this crap and it dumps on you.